1, 2, 3. Hello everyone and welcome to
Taking Risk in the Kitchen.
And today we're going to make a really nice recipe from Italy. Mamma mia. What is the name of the recipe, Juliet?
Chiacchiere.
Chiacchiere.
Sorry our Italian followers if we pronounce it incorrect.
Yes, I'm sorry. Apologies for the Italian followers if we are not pronouncing correctly, but we try. What is chiacchiere, Juliet?
A delicate fried pastry, originally from Italy, but from so many different names that we can't name them.
Yes, there are so many different names in the whole country that you're going to find it chiacchiere. But today we are making our recipe that one of our friends has given to us, and we will try it because it comes from his grandma and then his great grandma and then grandma and his family recipe. Today you see how nice it will be. By the end, I think Juliet just nailed the recipe, but you have to follow us. What they need to do if they aren't following us with this video, Juliet?
Just hit that good like button, and if you are with our subscribers, why not?
Why not?
It only takes 5 seconds, and it's not rocket science, so you can always click down here if you want to.
And just subscribe, follow us until the end of the video, because you see a really
Nice
recipe and pastry. Oh, fried chiacchiere. Chiacchiere. So now, follow us to the end of the recipe.
It's from Carnival.
Yes, very common on the Carnival. But now, it's time to see the recipe. Let's go!
Okay guys, for our first ingredient, it's going to be 500 grams of plain flour. Put it all in. Leave that aside. Now we're going to put 80 grams of sugar. 80. Mix it. Now 50 grams of butter in room temperature. Get your spatula to put it in. Leave that aside. Now we're going to add 30 millimeters of limoncello. Mix it. Now we're going to add 2 eggs. Mix it. Now we're going to add 6 grams of baking powder or 1/5 a teaspoon. Mix it. We're going to add an extra egg. Now mix it. Okay, now that our dough is ready, we're gonna set it up for before it goes to fry. Just gonna move it this way. Put the whole dough here. Now we're gonna take a piece that is only like 2 centimeters high. Take the rolling pin and roll it. Keep rolling till it's 2 centimeters high. Okay, now we're going to start to cut it. Now going to slice it in the middle like this. And we're going to take our knife and make a little hole here. Now we're going to cut it like this. We're going to open it. Now we're going to get this bit, see right here, swirl it, put it in the middle, and then just do this. Even more on the side here. And just repeat the same pattern over and over again. And I had to make this hole a little bit larger. Okay, now I'm on the final two. As you can hear the fire, we are going to fry it after this last one right here. Okay, see. Now it start to fry. Put it on the corners of the pan so the oil doesn't burn you. So the oil doesn't burn you because the oil is very, very hot. This is what it looks like when it's fried. Look at that. Glistening. Now we're going to see how it tastes like. Okay guys, now thank you for staying to the end of the video. Now,
thank you for staying to the end of the video.
Now we're going to try our somehow delicious chiacchiere.
Chiacchiere. So here goes our chiacchiere. 1 second. Here we go. Our chiacchiere. So Juliet, try. One for Juliet. One for me. Wait, don't try yet. So we have to look at that. Look at this. Nice. Juliet has showed you guys, but now I'm showing you as well. It's time for us to eat. Mmm. 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 Mamma mia. It is delicious, isn't it?
And Jeff.
Yes. Oh no! But I can't stop eating. Okay guys, it's really nice. You should try at home because we really enjoy it, and I think you enjoy as well. I can't stop eating because it's still nice. You have to try. Follow us on the channel. You'll see a lot of nice recipes, and if you like the recipe, leave your like, share with your friends, and we'll see you to the next video. Bye.